concerned about the environment and want to do our part to help preserve it and protect it.
What we did down here to prep for air sealing and upgraded insulation is we spray foamed all the exterior walls. So all the exterior walls got spray foamed for net zero. Here we spray foamed the whole perimeter, and so that helps with the insulation as well as the air sealing. So the spray foam insulation becomes the air and vapor barrier as well. So it's to get a continuous seal in around the whole house to attempt to get the air changes down per hour. So we're using an ERV, and the ERV, because we're tightening up the house so much and getting those air changes, those natural air changes down per hour, where the ERV brings in the fresh air into the house, but it's a controlled air exchange. So it's more efficient because it takes the energy from the exhaust air and transfers it to the fresh air coming in. So it's an efficient exchange of fresh air. This is a electric heat pump. So it's in connection to an outdoor unit, an air-to-air heat pump. So again, a super efficient unit going in down here for the whole house heating and air conditioning needs. In regards to net zero, the upstairs was the biggest challenge to get for air sealing. It's kind of buried behind drywall now, but the poly vapor barrier on the ceiling was definitely a challenge. And yeah, we worked tirelessly to button up every little gap and crack to get the air changes per hour down. So again, so we spray foamed all of the cavities that we could and buttoned up every little gap and crack that we possibly could.
We've always been energy conscious. My background as an earth scientist leads me to have a particular view of and respect for the planet that not everyone has. So the house is now net zero ready.
So it's nice to know that with this renovation, we're doing our little part.